Do you wanna be a poet and write? Do you wanna be an actor up in lights? Do you wanna be a soldier and fight for love? Do you wanna travel the world? Do you wanna be a diver for pearls, or climb a mountain and touch the clouds above? Be anyone you want to be. Bring to life your fantasies. But I want something in return. I want you to burn. Burn for me, baby, like a candle in my night. Burn, burn for me, burn for me. Laugh for me, cry for me, pray for me, fly for me, live for me, die for us. I want you to burn, burn for me, baby, like a candle in my night. Oh, burn, burn for me, burn for me. I want you to burn. I want you to burn.
The acting, you came out of that shell, and you were able to go up there and act in front of so many adults. The dancing, how does it make it to your parents? Because they took the song and they saw something special with that, and they made it come to life. And I really wish I would have done this sooner as an administrator, because there's so much talent, and boy, do we need the arts program back. Thank you, boys and girls.